cutting the front pocket for my senator top. The measurements I want to use, I want to have a design. So here I'll measure 1 inch and I'll just pull a line at the 1 inch marking. Then from this line, I'll measure my 5.5 inches. Okay, I have 5.5 inches. This will be the extent of my pockets, but I'm doing all this because of the design I have in mind. Now this will be the mouth of my pockets, but at the upper part I want to fold with 1.5 inches. I want the width to be wide, and I will also, fold inward by 1/2 inch. So I will need to add 2 inches to this part. Your front pocket making depends on the design you are working with. So this particular design, you will see the outcome later. Now that I have this, I have 2 inches, I have 5.5, and I have 1 inch. So now I want the width of my pocket to be 5 inches. So this 5 inches, because I fold, the 5 inches I will divide by 2, which will give me 2.5. I'll measure my 2.5. Okay. This is my 2.5. Before I rule my line, so this 2.5, I'll be adding 1/2 inch for seam. I'll fold that inward. So I measure 1/2 inch for seam. Now I can cut this way, but then I want to have a slant at this point. That is why I left the 1 inch behind the slants. And so I'll cut from that point, like this, and like this. So let's see the shape of my pocket. This becomes the shape of my pocket. Mind you, I will need to fold these parts. I'll sew in by 1/2 inch, and I'll sew on these parts to give me this. Then I'll come to this point, folding by 1/2 inch. Come to this point, folding by 1/2 inch. If I iron this thing out now, you see the shape it will give me. Then here too, I'll fold by 1/2 inch. See what I have done? I've folded all the allowances inside, and I decided to gum. So I've gum all these parts. So this is what we'll be placing on the front part of our senator top.